5 key questions for running a solo business.
I've noticed more and more people starting solo businesses where the only employee is the founder themselves, while other tasks are outsourced to freelancers or even handled by Gen AI technologies. This trend has become more noticeable since the COVID era. I, too, run a solo business, so I'd like to share 5 thoughtful questions for fellow entrepreneurs to reflect on, helping their businesses grow even without scaling up. 1. Is there a business you can start with no or very little investment? Many solo businesses start from an idea that doesn't require a lot of resources or uses what we already have. This leads us to the next question. 2. Is there a skill or task you already enjoy or are good at that you can take small steps to turn into a business? Often, a solo business begins with someone who has built expertise through years of corporate work. Take Paul Jarvis, author of Company of One, as an example. He worked in design and later launched his own solo business focused on design after quitting his job. Because he already had the expertise and a network in the field, starting his company was much easier and more sustainable. 3. How can you improve your work without expanding your business? The philosophy of a solo business is to keep expansion to a minimum. Growth usually means more investment, so instead, we need to use creativity to improve the quality of our work without pouring money into hiring more people or buying more tools. 4. How will you maintain work-life balance? This question is crucial because in a solo business, you handle everything yourself. Even small tasks like copying documents or replying to emails can drain you if not managed well. You need to be prepared to handle a large workload and ensure you're aligned with your rest and recovery rhythms. 5. What is your why? Your why is the purpose or core mission of your business, the value it brings to the world. What is the true purpose of your company? Why should it exist in the world? If you can answer this, you'll tap into the heart of your work, and everything you do will carry meaning. This clarity will help you stay the course without burning out. Take Apple's why, for example,
Which is to challenge the status quo.
That's why their products go beyond computers and phones. Those are just the what. Their focus is on creating technology that pushes human boundaries. Bonus session, align with your job. For anyone who finishes watching this video,
I'm offering a free session called Align with Your Job. Perfect for business owners who is feeling burned out and looking for fresh inspiration. This will help you rediscover your value through your why. I'm accepting just 5 people for a free 1-hour online chat. If you are interested, email me. My email is on channel description. Thank you.